Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete an undeletable plugin from WordPress website with just one click. It is specifically for Hostinger users. Hostinger users. If you are using WordPress CMS, you may have encountered a situation where you have installed a plugin on your WordPress site only to find that it can't be deleted. No matter what you do, it can be a frustrating experience, but I'm here to show you that there is an easy and quick solution. And let's not talk, let's do the job. Here you can see I've installed a plugin. It was for donation with PayPal, but now I'm not able to deactivate it and delete it. See, here is an error. I tried a lot to delete this from here, but it was not possible. Without deactivating a plugin, it's also not possible to delete that directly. So here, let us and now let us log in to your hosting account in Hostinger. So after that, go to websites. Then click on Manage, which you have installed the plugin on that website. But I have installed it on my staging. I click on WordPress and staging. But you have to click on Security, which is available below staging. So it will show all the plugins installed on your website. You can delete them from there. So I click on Staging Security. And I want to delete the easy PayPal donation, and it is very easy, and I deactivated it and want to delete it now. Yeah, that's it. I deleted that, and now it's deleting. Now let's check the website. Let's refresh the page. It is deleted. And I hope this is a useful video for you, and if you have liked it, you can like it and leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel to watch more video tutorials about programming, WordPress, and many more technology related videos.